Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Prisma Accelerate and make no-code automations easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with Prisma Accelerate in Make, start by opening your Make account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Connections section in the left sidebar. Click on Connections to open the Connection Management page. Now, click on the Add button to create a new connection. In the search bar, type Prisma Accelerate and select it from the list. Once selected, you will see a prompt for authentication details. You will need your Prisma API key to proceed. Log into your Prisma account in a new tab to retrieve your API key. Once you have your API key, return to the Make tab. Paste your API key into the designated field. Double-check to ensure there are no typos in the API key. Next, click on the Continue button to save the connection. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you can start creating automated workflows using Prisma Accelerate. Return to the dashboard and choose Scenarios in the left sidebar. Click on Create a new scenario to begin building your automation. Look for the Prisma Accelerate module in the list of available services. Drag and drop the Prisma module into your scenario canvas. Follow the prompts to configure your automation further. With authentication complete, you are ready to utilize Prisma Accelerate in your no-code automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.